Hi guys, it's Donna at Face Paints for You, and I'm back as promised, as I had another request to do the monster number 1 design that I spoke about in my last video. It's the blue spiky monster that you can see on the screen right now, so if you'd like to see how I do this, please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. Today my model is my daughter Alicia. So I start off by getting my 1-inch flat angled brush from the face painting shop. But of course, if you do have a smaller child, I probably would use a 3/4 inch instead. And I load it really well with a 1-stroke that I made myself. It has white, then light blue, then dark blue. But of course, this monster can be done with any colour or any 1-stroke. And I start off by doing a zigzag motion all the way around. And I do exactly the same towards the middle until it's completely filled. And as you can see, the spikes, some go up, some go down, some spikes go straight. You know, just to do some spiky hair or spiky fur and give it that effect. Then I load my Low Cornell round brush number 6 and I load it up with white diamond effects. And I just do 2 big eyeballs in the middle of the design. Then with the same brush I do 2 teeth and all it is two small triangles next to each other. And as you will see, I will go over them again, as the blue is quite dark, so it started coming through. So I usually do go over at least one more time, as I like my white to be a nice bright white. Then I load my Low Cornell round brush number 3 and I just put a little bit of green or a little bit of a teal colour inside the eyes, just to give the eyes a little bit of colour. Then I load my Low Cornell round brush number 4 and I load it up with black diamond effects, and I start by giving it a smiley face and I start going under the teeth. Then I give a quick outline around the teeth and fill it in ever so slightly, just a little bit more in the middle, and it just gives it the illusion that it's its bottom teeth sticking out, not the top teeth. Then all I do is do 2 small dots in the middle of the eyes, and that's the pupils, and outline the eyes. Then with the same brush I start outlining the whole of the design, so all you'll see me do is outline all the spikes. And really quickly, I just wanted to say, the reason why when at the beginning I was doing the spikes with my 1-inch brush, instead of telling you to then just colour in the middle, I told you to continue doing the spikes in the middle until it's all filled in, is because as you can see, it gives it like the furry effect, like the full face is really hairy and furry. Instead of just colouring it in, it would just look plain, so it gives it a lot more character too. And now with the same brush, just to give it a bit more of a furry effect, I just do a tiny little zigzag just here and there around the design. Again, just to give it a bit more of a furry effect. And now I load my Low Cornell round brush number 5, and of course this is absolutely optional, but I load it up with my white diamond effects and I give it an extra white outline all the way around, and as you can see it just makes it stand out and pop even more. But of course, if I was really busy and I had a massive queue, I probably would miss this step, as this is why I said this is optional. Then, with my Low Cornell round brush number 5, I get a little bit of the blue that I used from my one stroke and just do a few little dots just coming down the nose, and it's just like it just makes it blend in a little bit. I just think it looks better. Then going back to my Low Cornell round brush number 5 with my white diamond effects, I just do a few starbursts. And by the way, as this design was requested for a boy, I didn't put any eyelashes, but if I did do it on a girl, I would probably just add some eyelashes on it. And this is my blue spiky monster all finished. Please guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if this design has helped you in any way, or if you like the design. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.